Good news! I enrolled you at LeapLearner to study Python. In a year, you will have your own successful startup company. Is there a smaller animal that I can study? Calm down, silly. Not a Python, the Python programming language. Just imagine, NASA, Google, Wikipedia use it, and now you will learn it. What if it is too hard for me to learn? Don't worry. LeapLearner makes studying fun. It is just like a game, and you'll enjoy it.